So I feel like this is one of the biggest challenges I have being a YouTuber. I can't promise it's gonna be entertaining because we're quarantined. All right, let's do this. YouTube can look everywhere from I literally wake up in the morning, I turn on my phone and I talk about my day, all the way to high quality production, professionalism. And then we have people who are celebrities now joining YouTube and being a part of the YouTube community. And then we have, you know, everyday people like me who jump on YouTube to do stuff. And when I tried to join the YouTube community, I really wanted to be a crafter. Like I wanted the channel, I actually didn't put my face on the channel at all, and I wanted it to be just like a crafting channel. Over the years, you guys have seen me and my kids, and then when I started going live, we started just talking about life. And you just are like, you just get to know your audience, and your audience gets to know you. And then there's this weird crossover where you're like, am I professional or am I vlogging in my PJs today? What am I doing with my life? So I feel like I've struggled with figuring out how to stay professional, yet, because this is new. This wild, wild west of YouTubing is different. And honestly, people in my real world don't know much about it. And so when I talk about it, or when they ask me what I do every day, it's really hard without going like to the beginning and being like, okay, well, this is what I do. So part of me is like, I just want to talk to the people who watch me on the internet, because they 100% understand what I do every day, pretty much, because you guys see it and you guys are invested and watch it and interested. So then I'm like, my heart wants to talk to the people on YouTube, but reality should be like, I'm involved with the people I know. And so I've compartmentalized both very well, but not very well at the same time. If that makes sense, I don't know. Can you guys tell, like, quarantine is going to be a big time for me to just kind of like let go of all control. Good Monday morning. So today is day one of vlogging for quarantine, and I decided to start on a Monday because usually Mondays are the day that I start like the week and get going and get moving, and I wake up and I write the newsletter. And usually Dustin and I used to go to Starbucks in the morning and do our coaches meeting, which is a meeting that we do because we're a part of this group called Homeroom by Jefferson Bethke. I'll put links in the description if you guys want to join it. But it's been a game changer for our family, but this quarantine is throwing it off. One of the things that we really started implementing well last year was our coaches meeting, which it's like your family is a team and you and your husband are the coach. And so coaches have meetings, so why wouldn't you have a meeting if you're coaching this family team? So Monday mornings we usually wake up and we go do that, and then I come home and I write my newsletter. The girls go to music, and then we usually go do something fun after that, and then I come home and I work for like 3 or 4 hours, and then I usually take a break, and then I work for more hours, and I work until like midnight sometimes on Mondays, just doing graphics and updating things and fixing the website and working on prepping videos, because I shoot videos on Tuesdays typically. That's what I would normally do. But I am off. I am so off, and this is week 3 of quarantine, and Mondays just don't feel like Mondays anymore. And I'm sitting in front of our chore chart, which everything has been flipped for like weeks. We're just kind of like in survival mode, trying to figure out like, what do we do? Okay, so I have my Google Calendar pulled up, and all of these green things are videos that used to be like in a few later months, and I can move them around. So basically, when I have a video that I'm working on, what I will do is I have in my Google Calendars, I have YouTube videos, and I will take a video. So I'll make it like a daily event, and I'll say like, okay, day 1 vlog. I might even start doing this. So I make sure that it's on my YouTube video calendar, and the default is pink, but you can right click and change them colors. So for us, what we do is, well, for me, I turn them gray when they're just an idea, and then I turn them yellow when I'm filming them, and then I turn them green when I've gotten them over to Tyler, which this I'll be editing myself, so I won't need to turn it green, or I'll be having my own color for my own editing. But Tyler is green. I set up all my team members with their own color. And then when it's complete, I turn it pink. I leave it green until it's scheduled on YouTube and up and ready to go. Hey guys, I'm still in the same spot. I'm uploading the Scrapbox review. By the time you're seeing this video, the Scrapbox review will be up. It's like 22 minutes, so, woo, girl, here it is. Okay, no, stop. Okay. Usually a company will ask me if I want to use a product, and it barely makes it past that level because I'm like, no, I only talk about products that I already use. If it makes it past that level and I'm like, yes, I'm excited, I usually now will say, sure, send it to me for free. And if they want to do a paid post, I will say, no, I don't do paid review posts anymore. One, they're super annoying because companies will ask you to literally jump through every single hoop to make them sound good, and I ain't about that life. But I also don't ever want to be forced to talk bad or good about a product that I might not feel that way about. This was very Donald Trump. Holy moly, I've been seeing him way too much on the TV. I'm dying. This review is so honest, but you guys have been asking, and I don't want you guys to buy something so expensive without watching an honest review. It's so expensive. So anyways, do I love it? Yes. Am I gonna do a newer review on the Dream Cart? Yes. Love that thing. You guys are gonna see that a lot in my vlog series. But guys, I'm literally about to press upload and schedule for, I think, 4 days from now, and ooh, it just doesn't sit well with me, but at the same time, I know that it's needed. I just feel like it's so fresh on like how honest I've been with other company products reviews and where I stand with that, that to put, like, so I am going to definitely be pausing on big free things for a while, just because this feels weird. This feels not good. But like I said, you guys are the most important thing when it comes to a review. This is my life. I battle myself internally, externally, on the internet, off the internet. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to promote this thing? Why is this my life? That's okay. Put it on. Backlash, haters, comments, all the things. Who cares, right? This is about you, and most of you guys really appreciate when I am honest. On the same spot today. Okay, it's 1:52, and my new business meeting with my team is at 2 on Mondays, but it's our first one, so I'm hoping this time works. That'll be another Monday task, quarantined Monday task. Not necessarily gonna vlog our meeting because they didn't sign up for being in the vlog. So I'm sure they wouldn't mind, but I'm gonna talk to them about that kind of stuff. And so just kind of getting an update on how they're doing personally, because we're quarantined, then an update on how they're doing work-wise and what I can do to help them and what they can do to help me and how we can all be together in this. I need to be a good team leader and check in and make sure that they're doing well, emotionally, physically, spiritually, all the things. Welcome to the interrogation room. This week on Conspiracy Theories with Landis.
Trump is afraid and he doesn't think he's gonna be elected. I feel like I'm gonna get shamed for saying all this.
No, don't hold it back. This is conspiracy segment. We'll have a conspiracy segment.
I think he's a little afraid that he's not gonna get elected again.
Okay.
Because the other guy, Bill Nye, the science guy.
What about it?
Or Billy Ray Cyrus. One of them. The other guy.
So Billy Ray Cyrus is on the verge of becoming the president. So
President Trump wanted to distract everybody from the election, and they're like, this has to be good.
Okay.
This has to be good. Apparently China and Trump are really close.
Okay.
From what I've heard. And so they like create the coronavirus and they like put it in some of their soups, and they're like, oh, it's from the bats. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Interesting.
I'm not looking at the facts. Theory.
That was Conspiracies with Tay. Catch you again next week.